video cutting out, but I thought I'll just make a very quick video on horizontal and vertical lines and just discuss what those are before we move on to our Jamboard activity. So, horizontal and vertical lines. The best thing that I've ever been taught to remember which line is which way is to remember that horizontal, starting with an H, comes first. So when you go into a building, you have to go in the building before you can go up the elevator. So the horizontal represents going in the building, and the vertical represents going up the elevator. And so, therefore, a horizontal line is a line that runs from left to right across the page. And a vertical line is the one that runs straight up and down the page. Okay, so if you think about things in the real world that are horizontal, you'll think about things like roads, lines on the courts. And if you think about lines that are vertical in the real world, you'll be thinking about things that go up the buildings, or even things like netball hoops or basketball hoops, the poles that hold those up. So if we have a look here, we can see that this shape here has the horizontal line there, where the 2 dots are, and the vertical line is the 2 dots up this way. We've got the horizontal line along the envelope that goes from left to right, and the vertical line that goes up. And then if we look at the clock, we've got the horizontal line is the line that is pointing to the 9, and the vertical line is the line that's pointing to the 12. So now it's time for us to hit onto the Jamboard and go into our Jamboard lesson on horizontal, vertical lines, right angles, and parallel and perpendicular lines.